Hey, waterfall adventurers, buckle up because this thrilling episode of NC Waterfalls, two fearless young explorers and I are tackling 7 waterfalls on our journey to Highlands. From the glorious to the hidden and the untamed, we're unveiling the true gems of North Carolina's waterfall wonderland. We started our day out with John Jumps Falls. The trail can be hard to find. It's on the north end of the parking area. At the end, we will find a beautiful 25-foot waterfall located in Pisgah National Forest. The hike to the falls is short, but it's not really easy. It is a bit steep. The falls are located in a beautiful setting and make for a great swimming hole in the summertime. You're going to enjoy this one.
I fell, but it's okay. That's hiking.
After enjoying the falls, remember, when hiking, you've got to return. So that short, steep hike, it's just like this waterfall. It's going to take your breath away. Our second fall was from the same parking spot. From that parking area at John's Jump, make your way along the road for about 1/10 of a mile. You will end up crossing over the road and you will find a gate. Past the gate will be an old logging road that runs away from the road. Past a couple of mud holes. The road is fairly level through here. You will pass it again, another mud hole. And as you make your way along, a sharp left will lead you down a trail. That trail will lead you out to the waterfall. This is a gorgeous one.
Be careful right here. Pretty steep. Waterfall, you see it loud and clear. Right now, you see it, everyone?
Behold, the hidden gem of our journey, a tranquil pool tenderly cradled at the foot of this fall. A perfect playground is awaiting your little ones, a shimmering oasis right here in the heart of unspoiled nature. And don't worry about that summer blaze. The sun-kissed canopy overhead provides just the right amount of shade to keep you comfy cool while you relax in this serene sanctuary. For those who prefer a drier approach, a scenic path meanders around to the base of the falls. Follow it, and you will reward yourself with an unmatched view of this wonderful fall. On your way back, the start is a steep climb to start with, and watch your head for the branches. I speak from experience. Next up, a quick 17-mile drive to Silver Run Falls. But be careful, this road is fairly busy. The trail is almost as easy as it gets, with a nice gravel path and one short footbridge before you reach some sunny rocks and a view of the falls.
It's a really nice big swimming pool. Thousands of people come during the summer and stuff to come see this beautiful waterfall.
This fall has a deep swimming hole that is absolutely great for grabbing some fun in the sun. The water is a crowd favorite and can get really busy in the summer. Using the North Carolina Waterfalls app, it showed us this other fall. Upper Silver Run Falls is just a short adventure up the stream.
All right, let's go. Make smart decisions where you put your feet, Jenna.
Starting out with a sheer rock face, that's an exhilarating climb. Once you get to the top, watch out for the briars. It levels off into a winding trail before dropping off into Upper Silver Run Falls. This is a hidden gem. You won't find many people here.
Hey, go ahead and click the like and subscribe button so that I get to do more of this. Daddy, can you help me a little bit down to get down there?
Next, we took a short 14-minute drive up to Scotsman's Falls. It had warnings about how steep it was, but we wanted to check it out. The trail is easy to pick up from the parking area and easy to follow. This trail loses about 100 feet of elevation over the 300-foot length. It's steep, people. Watch out. If you're out here after a slight rain, be careful. It can be slippery. As you make your way down, there's a few trees to jump in and around of, but behold, you are about to see one of North Carolina's finest waterfalls. It's quite a beauty. The rocks can be slippery, but wow, look at that there. Brace yourselves, folks, for the hike back up. This is no stroll in the park, a steep. It's like nature's very own Stairmaster, guaranteed to get your heart pumping and your muscles aching. But remember, the journey might be a steep one, but the rewards, absolutely worth it. But hey, you know what they say, the hike is always worth the view. Let's lace up those bootstraps and conquer this ascent. Just a little over a mile down the road is Pothole Falls. You will see it while crossing the Chattooga River on the old iron bridge. We took a stop to check out this beauty. There is a couple dozen steps to get to the river, and a short walk along the rocks will get you to the base of the falls. Standing at about 10 feet in height, what this fall lacks in height makes up in uniqueness. It gets its names from a series of potholes that have been carved out in the rock by the river. Wow, that moss is just gorgeous. In the summer months, you might even catch a kayaker, as this is a great river to run. The view from the bridge is absolutely fantastic, but don't forget to admire this bridge. This is an old iron bridge. Quite interesting architecture and design through here. And the view of the falls from the bridge is just fantastic.
Very interesting. Welcome to the U.S.'s smallest post office.
After a quick hike up Slick Rock View and a stop at the U.S. smallest post office, we hit up our last waterfall on our way to Highlands. Cashier's Sliding Rock. The trail is very well maintained and fairly level all the way down to the falls, but get here early in the summer as it gets busy. My daughter couldn't resist getting a good splash in the water. Thanks for watching, and subscribe to be notified for our next video about our trip to Highlands the next day.